Let's see.
Recording video or doing live?
That's video.
Oh, how are you gonna post it?
I'll post it in my YouTube channel or in Facebook.
Oh, you have a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So, balut?
Balot. Yeah.
Stages.
Ano? Uy, tiga.
You sure it's cooked?
Maybe. Uy, love, you don't smash it. Where's the ano? Oh, maybe the dark one. I don't know where's the ano, the puwet or the what.
Right here. There's the foot,
So,
the base.
the base?
Yeah,
Okay. Oh yeah, you're right.
I know.
What? You know?
I know lots.
Uy, bakit hindi?
And nothing at the same time.
Ha?
Look. You sure it's cooked?
Yes, please.
It's still alive.
What? Baliktad sa akin na po. Wrong way for me.
You opened the wrong end. Oh my goodness, you want to try?
You're better than me. No, I'm okay. You
Waiting
can-
for you.
Mm.
You're not
No,
gonna drink the juice.
I got the butt.
You got the plate.
Yeah, I know. I drink the juice.
Yeah.
But, ay nako. Uy, sarap.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Very. That's up.
Mm. Anyway, maybe I'll just peel it up, no?
Mm-hmm.
I'll just peel it
Yeah.
up. I'll put the
Mhm.
shell here,
Mm-hmm.
and then I'll eat it this way. Kasi,
Look.
I know I'm wrong kasi
Mm-hmm.
I made a mistake. I'm touching it. Ooh, look! Oh, perfect. Ha ha
It's
ha.
my baby's first balloon
In Texas.
in Texas.
You eat it with vinegar too,
Mm-hmm.
and salt if you want.
I'll get the vinegar when you're ready.
Okay. Okay, go. Mmm. That's so good.
Tastes like that.
Oh, so good.
Mm-hmm.
Mmm. You need tissue, pala.
Mm.
I got tissue for you.
We forgot that.
Mm-hmm.
Mmm.
Sarap.
Sarap.
Mmm. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Didn't plan this one ahead, did we?
I know. Mhm. You know that balot, ano, best paired with chicharon.
I did not know that.
Mm.
Every time I ate balut with you before, we never ate chicharros
I
with
know.
it.
Since we have it, so.
Mm.
Mm. So good.
Mm-hmm.
I love it. But you don't need to eat the heart.
I know. Why are you eating the heart? Hmm?
Sarap lang.
Mm-hmm.
Oo nga. Where's the ano? So ito na.
You want me to find it for you? I don't know. You see it? It's right
Yeah.
there.
So I should open where?
You see it?
Mm. I open here?
See the heart
Yeah.
right there?
Mm-hmm. So
It
this
should
one.
be this top side. It's funny for someone that never eats it. How do I know?
Mm. Oh, I'm an expert now.
Mm, mm, mm.
Mm. So good.
Oh, is that right?
Oh my god.
Mm-hmm.
So good, so good, so good.
I told you they stole it in the store.
I thought somewhere else.
No. I said I forgot. A buddy of mine told me it was there.
Mm. Who said? Whose buddy?
My buddy from
Philippines?
no
Where?
Vietnam.
Oh, he's Vietnamese.
Yeah.
He does eat balot as well.
Yeah.
Mm.
What would you think that?
Huh? Ay, sorry. Sorry po, sorry. I think this one we call it ano, balot sa puti. Love, your duck is also white. It's American style.
What?
It's white.
I don't get
Our
what-
duck are black.
Oh,
The duck here is white.
Well, it depends on the breed, right?
I guess. I don't know.
Well, it depends on the breed of the duck.
You ready? Did you eat it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
What?
Ready?
Because the last one's yours.
Mmm.
Obvious.
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
Mmm. I miss it.
Aren't you glad I took you to the store?
Yes. Mmm. That last one?
That's yours, baby.
Huh?
That one's yours.
Sorry. Galing kumain ng balat ng
Let me find it for you.
Okay.
Right there at the bottom.
So we should open here.
Mm-hmm.
Good job.
Mm.
You're right. Galing ah.
Mm.
You're an expert.
Mm.
Tell me, maybe you're dating somebody else.
Shh, don't tell my wife.
Huh?
Don't tell my wife.
You dated a Filipino before and you ate balot already. You're not telling me.
Nope.
Huh? Mm-hmm. Sure ka ba?
Many people eat balloon.
But when was the first time you tried it?
Would you?
With me lang?
Mm-hmm.
Ang sarap, love. You have to try this. So,
Mm.
sarap na.
It's hot. That one's really good.
Next time I'll buy you some more.
Mm-hmm.
And then we can just keep it in boil if I want to.
Mm.
Yeah?
What?
We can buy a lot and then we can just boil it if I want to eat.
Mm-hmm.
Do you?
I wonder how long they stay good.
I don't know as well.
We're just about to find out.
I think we can. But some other people, they keep it in the store for a while. I'm sure it's not bought right away, right?
No.
But, I think even the sisig is so good.
Mm-hmm.
It melts in your mouth. Gosh, love
Well,
it.
in the Philippines, all you have is chicken eggs, right?
I think
Well,
it's
maybe
duck
duck.
also. It's duck.
Was it duck?
Yeah,
No, sorry, babe.
it's okay. But the chicken there, they're, you know, the beak, how do you call that? Beak?
Beak.
It's already hard. It's already.
Too far?
I think it's old already. I don't know.
They let it go too long? Mm-hmm.
Sarap.
See how long you've been here now?
3 months.
March, April,
April, May. I mean.
June, July, August. Almost 3 months.
Mm-hmm.
Or 3 months.
Yeah.
The first time having balut since you left.
Mm-hmm. This one. Doon na balot na. I'm full.
I knew you were gonna get full. Uh-huh.
Ano yung shape yan?
Uh-huh.
Shape yan?
I thought you said you don't eat duck.
I know, but still.
I thought it's bad for your teeth.
It's bad.
Wait, aren't you going to the dentist?
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
No.
Finish. Okay, finish.
Yours. You get the last piece.
Mine?
Yep.
Thank you.
The big piece, not the small piece. So yummy.
I love the balot, love.
Mm.
I love the balot.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
First mukbang with my husband
Mm. In
Balot
Texas.
in Texas.
Oh. Yeah.
Since I don't know how to edit, it's a raw vlog. I don't know how to edit, so I'm gonna post it like that.
It's fine.
Bye guys, thank you.
you.